Proud.
Ignition sequence start.
Proud.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Proud.
1, 0. All engine running.
Proud.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
What's good, gang? Thanks for tuning in to Just My Reactions. We got the latest TikToks that's blowing up the scene right now. Check this out. Ooh,
they got honey packs in this bitch. Old Big Gum, Carmex. They got Dutches, Blacks, Backwoods. They got all type of shit in here.
Dutches.
The mouthwash. A lot of y'all coming in here.
Backwoods.
They got the mouthwash too. They got the Dookie wipes.
In a vending machine.
The Dookie wipes. Time.
No Diddy. No Diddy. You know what them for.
It's one small step for man.
Yeah. If I ever had a vending machine, that's how my shit'll be, just like that. A one-stop shop, you know what I'm talking about? Look, Unc done hit that now. He having flashbacks of Vietnam. He tripping. I don't know what kind of gun he had, but he had something big with a extendo on that thing, you know what I'm talking about? For real. You see how he was letting out?
Wow.
Okay, they must be shooting the new last Friday movie right here. So this is exclusive right here. This is exclusive from the new Friday movie that's coming out, I guess. It looked like it Cube done came out with a new one. I guess y'all, man, this shit finna go down, huh? I wonder if they got Chris Tucker in there. I don't know. Yeah, I can't wait till that come out. Shit, I've been waiting on that one for a long time. I wonder if they gonna have Debo in there, who gonna play Debo?
Say, man, why are we going back up? They need to get somebody to explain this shit. What is going on? Explain something. Man, please, why are we going back up? Y'all can't just take a motherfucker down and take a motherfucker back up. No, man, y'all can't do this. What y'all said that 30 minutes ago. I'm scared now.
You know what?
I ain't never seen a plane go down, man.
He's scared.
I've seen it many times.
I ain't you fly. I don't.
Okay. Sir, just take a deep breath and we'll be landing shortly.
Get me off this motherfucker.
My mind's telling me no, but that crack, y'all, the crack team's telling me yes, gotta go.
Man, they blew up the Twin Towers last time they did this.
Sir, this has nothing to do with
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, just, you know what? Just try to relax. Yeah. We're gonna be down in a few minutes.
Man, white woman can't calm me down. I need a black woman.
Man, he having paranoia right now. That paranoia kicking in. He done hit the weed. He got a these spook. You know how they go around and got the circle. If the shit ain't right, he thinking that they trying to off him.
Shit ain't never happened before.
Sir, all we're doing is we're gonna circle around and we're gonna do the same approach.
Shit ain't never
It's
happened.
very windy, so that's why we have
I can give a sports analogy of it.
Nah, it's a woman too. Oh man, that's the problem. Goddamn woman flying the plane. I knew it.
He said it's a woman too.
never an issue. This is
been flying all year. This has never happened. Don't book me now. This motherfucker no more. You give me Delta. Delta know how to land.
Delta, that hood shit.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright, Charlie. And smooth.
He worse off on Delta. He tripping.
I'll ride the Greyhound.
Yes, yes.
Give me out.
Yes, everybody happy. Yes, everybody happy. Yeah.
Shit, he making too much money to be riding coach. The town flat. He say the tire on flat. On the airplane. But he was still on the airplane. How he know the tire on flat? The woman say it was
I'm
windy.
protecting us
No,
now.
get away from me.
I'm protecting us now at this point.
I am your family.
Ain't no hand.
I am your family. Give
Damn,
me your hand.
Kanye.
Give me your hand.
Ain't no hand. No. You were supposed to talk
Give me
to
your
her.
Why did he
hand.
just do that?
You were supposed to talk
What is
to her.
wrong with him?
Give me your hand. She say, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. You know that's them handlers. Imagine riding down the street and she try to flag you down. Up in deep East Oakland
I
somewhere.
have no Valentine.
You have no
Except for those two little girls from the Helen show.
Nope.
Damn, Drake. And look at Diddy. Well, y'all know the story about Diddy. We gonna see the Alex. Diddy thought she was Justin Bieber.
All right. You gonna learn today.
What is that? Apa oldu ki? Arıyor koyuyor.
Proud.
Ignition sequence start.
Proud.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Proud.
1, 0. All engine running.
Proud.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.